Have you ever wondered what diabetes really is and how it affects our bodies? Well, today we're going to dive into this important topic. Diabetes is a chronic condition that impacts the body's ability to process blood glucose. Broadly speaking, there are two main types, type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition where the body destroys the cells in the pancreas that produce insulin. This means that those with type 1 diabetes do not make insulin. And without insulin, the body can't regulate the amount of glucose in the blood. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes, which is more common, occurs when the body develops a decreased sensitivity to insulin. This results in the body not making or using as much insulin as it needs. Now, you might be wondering, is there a cure for diabetes? The answer is currently, there's no cure for diabetes. However, the disease can go into remission, which means the body doesn't show any signs of diabetes, even though the disease is technically still present. This idea of remission can take different forms, such as partial remission, complete remission, and prolonged remission, all characterized by blood glucose levels lower than that of a person with diabetes for a certain period of time without needing to use any diabetes medication. Managing diabetes, particularly type 1, can be challenging. Type 1 diabetes often develops during childhood when the body mistakenly attacks the beta cells of the pancreas, removing their ability to produce insulin. For those living with type 1 diabetes, insulin injections are the most common treatment. These injections vary according to how quickly the insulin works and how long its effects last in the body. The goal of these treatments is to mimic how the body produces insulin throughout the day in relation to energy intake. In addition to insulin injections, there are also other potential treatments on the horizon. For instance, a 2018 clinical trial found that the existing blood pressure drug verapamil may be helpful for people with diabetes. So, to round up what we've discussed today, diabetes is a chronic condition that affects the body's ability to process blood glucose. There are two main types, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, each with their own characteristics. While there's currently no cure for diabetes, the disease can go into remission, and there are various treatments available to manage the condition effectively. It's a topic that continues to evolve, and we're excited to see what future research will bring to light.